Hello everyone, it is your boy Zach here, most famous #1 electrical keyboard fan, most famous #1 electrical lightning bolt fan. In this video, we are back to the Lightning Steve world, and you boys and girls ask, that was unexpected. And boys and girls ask, what happened to the series? Well, it's just I just had to take a quick break from Lightning Steve's world. It's because this world is said if okay, baby zombie. So the world is said that if lightning strikes, Lightning Steve will appear. And I went to this world one time, and I saw like water, just some water, weird water, just like standing. It was too crazy. And I'm like, wait, what? 3 zombies? 4 zombies? What? And then some weird lightning strikes occurred. It was a craziness. And the lightning is still going. I don't know how to take from this, but things are getting crazy, but it's just the beginning. Before I actually get into this, share this video. Hashtag don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video to your friends, families, students, teachers, friends and family, students and teachers. That way it can make it easier for them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Dude, Lightning Steve has been getting way too crazy these days. What are you doing here? What are you doing? Huh? Oh yeah, in this other episode, I was being chased by this Enderman, which is crazy. And Enderman was spazzing out in the rain, and it was like, dude, this Enderman, man, was like, jeez. Alright, let's fly around to see what we can find. Holy cow, 4 zombies? Oh yeah, I remember this. Another zombie over there, that's 5. 6 zombies. Whoa! 6 zombies. What the heck? Huh. Well, I'm not touching that. Is that a cross? Oh no. Just great. I know. This is getting way crazy. As you can see, I know, it's like, whoa! That same Enderman! Dude. This guy's like blood red. What the heck is going on? This guy's like blood red. Because last time I went in this world is that I spotted lightning striking outside the village outpost, and this Enderman is giving me the creeps. Dude. Plus, can you move? Okay. I thought the game was lagging for a moment. I mean, why is this guy blood red? There's 2 zombies down there, I assume. This is getting out of hand. Wait. Is it turning daytime? Or is it just me with the sky turning blood red? I'm not too sure, but there's a zombie with a sword and a skeleton with a bow and arrow. Holy! Oh snap. I think... Yeah. things are not looking good. Again? What? Are you serious? What I was saying was that I see a skeleton with a bow and arrow and 2 zombies. They're drowned. What are you staring at? 2 spiders, another zombie, and the golden skeleton has a golden helmet. Most girls are like, golden skeletons doesn't exist. Well, skeletons that have golden armor. With an enchanted bow? Whoa! I want to see what kind of bow you have. What kind of bow is that? Holy cow! Power 1? I see how powerful this is. Okay, I'll end it at 8. 10 seconds. Oh, I missed! Got him. How much is it doing? Oh, got him with like 3 shots. But power 1. That's not bad. Did he drop his helmet? He did it! The heck? That's weird. Holy cow! Is it armored up zombie? Hello, good sir. I want to have your armor. Well, that's good. And lightning strike, as soon as I said that. Oh, good. Good. I got a golden chest plate and then the sky was completely white. The heck is going on? See, creeper and zombie. Oh. Yeah, man. I get back to it again. See what happens this round here. Hello, good sheep. Take this golden chest plate. Wow. This is like getting out of control. Oh yeah, and a weird rumble. Something like that, and some weird lightning strikes that go. Something like that. But the lightning strikes, man, I can't let you eat in grass. Hey, crazy. Both. I'm so sorry. Come here. Lightning, I will. Well, lightning is my power hour. But if it's like this, straight up, I trapped you now. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Credits, comments, and the outro. I know things are not going so well because of the lightning striking everywhere. Plus that, sheesh. Anyways, credits, comments, and the outro. The lightning is getting way more crazy. In the next episode, maybe we will find Lightning Steven. I don't know on that because lightning strikes up here randomly everywhere. And here's a zombie with a golden helmet. Nothing? Just rotten flesh? Something's going on with the mob's loot. Maybe the Lightning Steve is hacking it. I don't know. But something's up. Anyways, love you all. Credits, comments, and the outro. It's a rainy day. I know. Anyways, peace out, y'all. Wick.